This is the DEWALT multi-tool, the newest multi-tool from the DEWALT line. It is very compact and comes with a bunch of accessories. What I noticed right away and what I like most about this is the ease in which you put the blades in there and how easy it is. No tool, no screwing off the top like other brands, and yeah, I really like this. Compared to other brands such as Milwaukee and Makita, I prefer this one. It just feels more agile, and my favorite part, it stands on its own. It's powerful. The DEWALT batteries make it last long, and it works. Really like this, recommend it. Thank you.